Hello and welcome to this channel, and thank you for watching this video.
We are going to make a mini Vespa, a baby Vespa. It might be the smallest motorized Vespa in the world. I got this little motor. It's from a radio controlled car. I think it's 30cc or 32cc. It's one of the smallest two-stroke engines I could find. Then I got some wheels, small parts like disc brake, chain, little exhaust that I will change. Petrol tank. Yeah, excited to start. Let's go. This will be the single arm front suspension, like the real Vespas. And then it should look something like this. Right, Georgie? I'm going to use this old bike part to use the bearings and the handlebar. Okay, that's the front suspension for now. And here we're going to make the rear end, where we will also place the small two-stroke engine. For the mini Vespa we don't have a lot of space, so it all needs to be small and tight. Now this is the little exhaust I got. It fits like this, but I want to have it more like this. So we have to change that. Now it's just connecting the rear and the front end together. Easy. Let's make the frame silver in 3, 2, 1. Meanwhile, when I'm busy here with the frame for the scooter, the 3D printer is printing all the panels for the bodywork. Here we have the bodywork complete. It are all small panels because the printer cannot print it all at once. So we have to put it all together. I'm doing this using epoxy. Just glue it all back together. And then the body is complete. It's starting to look a little bit like a Vespa now. Those are the final body panels, all sanded down. Now we'll give it one last coat of epoxy with the color. I will make it mint green. It's called Verde, or I will try to imitate that. It's original Vespa color. Let's see if it works out well. This is the result. I might give it one more coat later on, but now first let's continue. And now we still need a seat. I will make a seat from some materials I still had laying around. For now I will just use Velcro to attach the seat to the body, so it's easy to take it on and off. Maybe later I will change it to something else, but I think it will do for now. The bike is working. Let's put the bodywork and give it another ride. It's getting dark now, so the finishing of this bike and more riding around, we will keep it for the next video. I hope you will all come back, so please subscribe to the channel. For now, thank you for watching. See you next time.